We've restocked our sale PSE area in the shop due to extreme demand. We stock a wide range of oak and ash PSEs in mixed grades, just like this. Let's go back into the factory and see how we get our raw material into PSE boards. Hardwoods usually come in random width boards as opposed to the softwood you might see at your local merchant. So the first step in the machining process is to rip the boards to a specific width. Because we are running these items in large batches and a variety of widths, it means we can make the most of every board and gain a high yield with very little waste. When selecting timber for these sale PSE items, we use a mixture of both square-edged European oak and also waney-edged French oak and ash. We try our best to use older and more tired stock when selecting raw material for these items. It is great housekeeping and not only keeps our stock rotating, but also leaves us with the higher quality timber in our warehouses. The second step in the machining process is to plane the boards up using one of our moulders. Here, the pieces are machined to the final thickness and width, but more interestingly, it is also where the unique grain pattern of each individual piece is revealed. Lastly, we use our automated crosscut to cut the boards to the desired lengths. We don't actually have to do this process, but we find that trimming both ends of every piece keeps the boards looking clean and more appealing for our customers. Once the boards are ejected from the crosscut saw, they can be placed into length-specific stacks, marking the end of the machining process. The stock selection and machining process is what makes these sale items such good value for money, as opposed to very high-grade, defect-free timber that you see on the shelves in other places. Hopefully, this little insight has helped to explain how we've made this possible. Now that you've seen the story and the process behind these sale PSE items, why not head down to our shop, as they won't be around for long.